Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download the SoFi app to pay credit cards faster. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download the SoFi app, start by unlocking your mobile device. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone. For Android users, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type SoFi. Press the search button to display the results. Locate the SoFi app in the search results. Tap on the app icon to view more details. Look for the Get or Install button and tap it. If prompted, enter your Apple ID or Google account password. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the SoFi app on your home screen. Tap the app icon to open it. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Follow the prompts to create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments section. Add your credit card information if you haven't done so already. Select the option to pay your credit card bill. Enter the payment amount and verify the details. Tap the Pay button to complete the transaction. You have successfully downloaded the SoFi app and can now pay your credit cards faster. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.